What's up, everybody? How the fuck you doing? So I did some research, and yeah, I definitely need to lube my chain. There's some other stuff that is coming up, but I might preemptively do it. And yeah, so I looked up the service manual, and essentially every 600 miles you're supposed to check the tension of the chain to make sure that the slack is between 1 inch and 1 3/8 inch. Holy shit. So from 1 inch to 1 3/8 inch, that's how much slack you want it to have. If it has more than 1 15/16, which is a little bit over 3/4, you're looking for some trouble. You obviously want to check your sprockets for life, make sure they're not seed out and gouged and all that good stuff. So yeah, that's where we're at. I'm 2,700 miles in without lubing it and or checking it. The sprockets, they look great, they look good. The chain is definitely crusty and dusty, so I'm gonna be getting some cleaner and some lube here. We're going to Motor City Power Sports, and we're gonna do that in this video. We're gonna go get the stuff, and then we're gonna go clean. So probably won't be a whole lot of riding. I just wanted to make this little intro. I'm testing out the GoPro here with no video stabilization because I thought it might help, but after having sat here and rode for a little bit, I realized maybe the video stabilization isn't why it looked weird. My head does move quite a lot while I ride from the wind and the bumps and everything. I don't really try to stiff neck my riding, and this is not, I mean, it's going to lead to back pain and stuff, to be honest, or you're going to have neck issues because you can. I just like to kind of relax and just go with the flow of the bumps and the wind, man, which I don't think is, you know, optimal either, but it's better than fighting it and straining my neck the whole time. So yeah, we're here. But you know what I mean, it's moving quite a lot, so maybe the stabilization on top of the movement was making it look silly. We'll see what's gonna happen. It's a different GoPro than the one that I've been using, so yeah, be back in a minute. I have literally hit every single light since I left my house. Oh my Jesus, they really don't want me to get here. Let's talk about the other maintenance while we're at it. So basically it says every year you're supposed to change your oil, or every basically 4K miles, whichever you opt to do. I would opt for the seasonal change. That's what I do. It just makes the most sense. It says every 2 years you're supposed to change and or inspect your brake fluid. It says to change it every 2 years, so I mean, I'm gonna change it. It's been 3 years at this point. The other thing is the engine coolant, which it says to do every, I think, 3 years on the coolant, and or every 4,000 miles. So I mean, we're a little under 4,000 miles, but I'm also at 3 years. This is season 3, so I'm thinking next season in the beginning of the year I will do, when I do my oil change, I'm going to do the coolant with it, and then we'll do the brake fluid as well. I mean, I could probably do the brake fluid now. It doesn't necessarily seem expensive, but the other part that comes with that is every 4,000 miles you're supposed to, I think it's 4,000, is you're supposed to inspect your brake pads and calipers and rotors and make sure they are good as well. So there's a few things that need to be checked and done on the bike here. Your clutch also needs to be inspected every 4,000 miles, along with your the bearings inside of the head tube. I don't know what the steering bearings, I guess, is what they would be. Those need to be checked. Those should be checked by a professional. I mean, I'm not going to take it apart. I don't know if I'm even going to get it checked, to be honest. I could probably go with getting the front end realigned and serviced at the dealership, but I'm just afraid they're gonna tell me shit's bent and it ain't gonna work. So yeah, here we are, Motor City Power Sports. I'm about to run inside, get my cleaning stuff, and then maybe we'll have some clips on the way home. Oh shit. Alright, that was quick and easy. It's only 20 bucks. Definitely need to do this a little more often. The guy said the stuff that I got, I need to apply a little bit more often just because of the way that it dries up and stuff. But he said it's super good. He uses it on all of his stuff, so I mean, I guess I'll trust him, you know. They're all right here. They're not bad people. Pretty chill. Alright, we're going Orchard to Joslin, going a different way home. But yeah, this is where I did my MSF class at, back there in that little parking lot. And yeah, dude, now we go home and I got the stuff. It's nice that they're close. They're only 7 miles from the house, so you know, nice little 10-15 minute ride depending on which way I go. With 75, unfortunately the freeway is shut down, the exit right there, so I can't get off to go there from the freeway. I did not buckle my helmet and it's kind of annoying me. I think I've been, no, I have, I rode down here a couple months ago, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Yo, it is dark with these glasses on and it's wet as fuck right there. I can't see shit. Weird vibes down here. It sounds super nice with the shorty. Oh shit, should do that one day. Just come ripping through here. Yeet. Alright, I'll see you guys back at the house. Being in here in traffic is like the worst. See, like that shit, dog. Yes, sir! I ain't waiting for that fucking line of traffic.